Hey guys, Aibu, it's a norm. Hello, people. Welcome home. This is Dudu. Sorry, man, for being lost for a while. So I'm on my way to work. So I have to get myself my favorite. So I passed by Woolworths and get my favorites salads. You'll know me, I eat those bulgur wheat salad and any that I would like for the day. So I have passed by to buy those two salads. So yeah, you must try them or tell me in your comments that you have tried and they are nice. Yeah, so they are a part of me now. So I eat them on a daily basis. Although it's not daily, sometimes I will make them myself at home. So today, after work, I went to Builders Express. I'll be starting my garden, people. Let's start to plant some seeds. It's raining these days, it's spring, so anything that you will grow will come out nicely. So I went to Builders Express to buy those seeds. So I'm starting with herbs and those easy stuff like spinach and green pepper, chilies, and beetroot. So you will see me when I do my garden. I was quite lazy to do it. It's not that I do not know how to do it. I was quite lazy to do it, but now I have decided to start planting something. I've been influenced on TikTok by some of the ladies that are doing homesteading and planting growing food from their backyards. So I am doing that myself. I do have spaces in my yard, and my mother at home grows some vegetables. So yeah, so let me do something. Look, I do have tomatoes. You see, I do have tomatoes and some spinach. So what I will be doing now is to make my tomatoes nicely. Like, I think my tomatoes need to grow on a higher scale. I'm not sure, but I will be putting some cables tie along the tomatoes so that it grows very nicely. So let me do that. Yeah, advise please on your comments on how can I do it better. If you know more of growing some vegetables, tell me more about it. Let's do it. Yeah, so I have planted some few vegetables. It's lettuce, it's spinach, beetroot, and chilies. What else? Yeah, and some herbs. I have put herbs on pots. So I bought a fertilizer, and I have gone to my friend's place that has cows. So I went to the cow crawl to get some, I don't know what is it called in English, umquba. So I got that and I mixed it with my fertilizer. So when I open the holes, I open the hole and put that first before planting what I'm planting. I hope everything will come up very nicely. And it's raining these days. Ew, you don't know how happy I am. Guys, I love hydrangeas. So I have bought one of the hydrangea. I want to see if it loves me. So I have heard that you can plant it on a shade. I don't have a place in my house that has shade, but I do have a very big tree. So I have planted that hydrangea under that big tree. So I hope there will be not much of a sun. There will be shade. Then I think hydrangeas needs water. Oh God. Hey guys. So I'll start with the haul. Okay, where I went to the mall to buy. You know, when we buy, guys, we don't buy clothes anymore. We buy home stuff. Eh, yes. But let me show you what I found. I found these. How stunning are these? I found this. Guys, a PEP home. I found these. 79 rand 99. These are scatter cushions. They are velvet with a trimming. Haibo, let me tell you something. I I quoted for these for somebody to make them for me. She told me that a fabric to make these with her own fabric, she will cost me per pillowcases only 650. 650. A velvet pillowcase with a trimming. She was to cost me 650, and it was 60 by 60. This is this is 40 by 60. So I found these two at Pep Home. Imagine, guys, 80 rand. Hey, yes, the cushion inside is not so nice, but the pillowcase, beautiful, beautiful. So I found this. They are two. Pep Home. Run, run. Then I needed this. Okay, then I bought this at Gelma. It's for my spices drawer. So when I have my kitchen done and in my drawer, I will put spices like this. They'll be labeled. So I'll put spices like this. So I will do a collection of these and a collection of these. So I need about 20 of these. So I need about 4 of these. They hold 2, 4, 6, 8. So I need about 8, 16, 24. So I need these 24 of these. They will sit in a drawer. They will look very nice. See? So yeah, if you can help and tell me where I can find these, please. Let's go and display my cabinet and show you. Hey guys, we are here now. I'll first show you the crystal glasses that I have collected. Then we'll display my cabinet, right? So it's these ones that I have shown you. These are from at home. So I bought 2 of these, right? Then it's these ones on my last vlog. Go to my last vlog. You'll see these ones I got from the thrift shop. They were 5 for 50 rands, I think. So these are very beautiful crystal glasses. Yeah. Then it's these ones. These are the famous ones. They are from Checkers. You get them in a packet of 6. So these are famous. I had collected 3 boxes, 6, 12, 18, but I'm left with only 8. I don't know what happened to the 10. Don't ask me. Then it's these ones. These ones are very heavy. These ones I got from Home ETC. I don't know whether we still have Home ETC. I got them from Home ETC. It was a special. There were 6 for 235. So they are very beautiful. These ones, they are very beautiful. So I think what I'm short of, it's the whiskey crystal glasses. I'm short of those ones. And let's do my cabinet, then you'll see how I decorate it. Thank you so much, people. Angidlulisa ukubonga for following me, for liking, for commenting. Please, 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 For all those that have not followed and love my content, please follow me. I love you so much. Bye.